Hey everybody, what's up? What's good? What's happening? Welcome back to Cooking with TK. Okay, you guys. So today I'm gonna make my version of a green bean casserole. I like the green bean casserole. My kids don't too much care for it because of what it tasted like at school. So they think a green bean casserole is nasty, but it's really not if you know how to cook it. So I'm gonna cook it totally different from the way the school cooks it. We don't cook it often in our home, but I'm gonna cook it today. So you guys, what I'm gonna show you, I'm using cheese. This is Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese. I am gonna use a packet of the Lipton onion soup mix. Okay. I have some of the crispy onions to go on top. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. I am going to use a box of stuffing mix to go on the inside of the green bean casserole. I'm going to use some black pepper and I'm going to use some Zatarain's Creole seasoning. Because most people do. They use like chili powder or cayenne pepper, something to kick it up a notch. I got this and it's full of flavor. It got garlic, onions, peppers in it. Okay. I got 2 cans of cut green beans. It doesn't matter if you have the frozen green beans or if you have fresh green beans. Remember, if you have fresh green beans, you need to blanch them, okay, for about 3 minutes. And you can do that in chicken broth or anything. I'm going to use cream of mushroom, okay, and I'm going to use some cream of chicken. And I'm going to use bacon. Bacon adds wonders to a meal, you know. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cook my bacon. And then I'm going to start to assemble my green bean casserole. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys. So here I have a few strips of bacon. This is about 5 strips of bacon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fat and all because that fat is going to cook down and it's going to be used as a flavoring, just like if you were cooking regular green beans on top of the stove. The whole parts of the bacon helps flavor your green beans. Okay, I'm going to set that bacon, but I am going to add a small amount of black pepper to my bacon that's cooking. Okay, okay everyone, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start mixing everything together. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my green beans. I have 2 cans, okay, of green beans. They are the cut green beans. Okay, it's 2 different kinds, but they both cut green beans. I drained them, so make sure you drain them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss them around in the bacon on some low heat. Okay. I hope you guys can see this. To the beans. Okay. Mix. I'm not going to add in the whole container. Okay. I'm just going to add in about a cup. Okay, just about a cup. 350 degrees because we're going to cook this. Okay, so that's 1 can of cream of mushroom. Now, however, if you don't want to use a can of cream of chicken, you can use just cream of mushroom, okay? You don't have to use the cream of chicken. Okay. I'm gonna toss this around. And then I'm gonna add my cream of chicken, y'all, okay? Just like so, okay? Y'all, please excuse my puppy barking in the background. Green bean casserole anytime, not just at the holiday now. I love cream of mushroom. And I love cream of chicken. Okay? Now, Okay, y'all. So let me mix this in. Ooh, it smells good, y'all, already. And we ain't even finished mixing in all of our flavors, okay? Add that lifted onion soup mix. Like so. Ooh. And it has seasoning in it. You can tell that. We're going to add a little bit more of the black pepper. Okay. Go ahead and mix everything together. Okay. I'm finna get ready to back my camera up so y'all can see, because I'm finna put it in the pan. 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 Okay. We're going to use these onion crispers. Okay. Add this to the bottom of this pan. I know this pan kind of big for what the amount that I'm making, but I didn't want to mess up none of my dishes. And I'm gonna cook these kids some pork chop. Okay, now with half of this, what I'm finna do is I'm gonna put some cheese right here, and then I'm gonna put some cheese on top as well. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle. Ooh, my dog scared me, y'all. Okay, so we got cheese halfway on now. Now we're gonna put some cheese on the top. Just spread it across. Okay. This is simple and easy. A green bean casserole is a simple, easy dish that anybody can do. Okay. Okay, so there we go with this. Add these onion crispers. And these are already kind of oily, so you don't have to add no butter or nothing to the top, okay? And then we're going to add some more of our cheese to the top. So now I'm finna put this in the oven, and I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes, okay? And I'll bring it back once I am done cooking. If you would like, you can add some paprika on the top, okay? So I'll be back once this is done. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished green bean casserole. This is the top of it. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna stick a spoon in here so y'all can see what it looks like, okay? Okay, everybody, so let me go ahead and let's dig in this green bean casserole. As you can see, doesn't this look delicious?
That could be a thumbnail.
Okay.
That could be a thumbnail.
Zoom in on the green bean, I guess. Y'all like that? Doesn't it look tasty, okay? Okay. So, I hope you guys try the green bean casserole recipe. There's many different versions out there, but this is how I like to fix my green bean casserole, y'all. It's gonna be tasty and delicious. And you hear my grandbaby tell me, I want some. She's gonna get some, okay, you guys? Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Peace, love, and have a great day, you guys.